This video is going to walk you through how to edit your collision data on birdmapper.org. If you have downloaded the mobile app, please check out our video detailing how to edit on the mobile app. The link will be in the description below. Go to the edit page. Here you will see a table and a map. If the table is blank, make sure to sign in. The table and map will only display your collision data submitted on the new mapper. You can edit all fields in the table except for Object ID. The table automatically sorts the data to show the oldest report first. Click on the column header for Date UTC to change this. Drag the column widths to be smaller or larger to make the table easier to use. Use the search bar to filter the data by species or tag number. Are you looking for a more comprehensive filter? Click here to create your own detailed filter for the table. Let's make an edit. I want to add the Flap Canada team to this report. Double-click, then type the name in and hit Enter. Every field can be modified this way, apart from the date field, which will provide you with a drop-down calendar for you to choose the date from. If you don't know how to fill out certain fields, there is information below the table, providing you with an explanation and the standard options for each field. Are you looking to add a photo to a report? To do this, we need to use the map to the right of the table. Here's a quick tip. Click on the report you wish to add a photo to in the table, and the map will automatically zoom to it. Click on the Edit button on the map and then click Select. You can move the edit box if needed. Then click on the dot on the map and an edit box will open. Scroll to the bottom and add an attachment. Click Add. You can delete photos this way as well. Are you looking to change the location of your collision report? We can use the map to do this as well. Use the table to locate the report, click on it, and the map will zoom to it. Click the Edit button, click Select. You can move the box if needed. Click on the report and drag it on the map to the desired location. Then click Update. This table will only show you the reports you have entered on the new Global Bird Collision Mapper. If you have a report from earlier than March 16th, 2023 that needs to be edited, please fill out the Report and Issue form at the bottom of the collision report, and we will make those changes for you.